So everyone, I created a drop down for the zips and cities. So if you will type whatever zip code you want, for example 84331, as you can see the US cities. So if I'll click, here it is. So I created a styled version and unstyled, and you can use whichever you want. So, and basically also I'll type the city, for example in Boston, you will also see that it works perfectly fine. So I click it and here it is. And I basically like recently created it. So in order to download it, you just um, copy this line of code. You go into your Visual Studio Code, create a new window, and basically what you do, probably you will just create a new directory. For example, I'll create directory test, create, open, and then what you do, you just basically paste this line in, and I also want to make it right in this directory, so I'll put dot out there. So, and once it copied here, I'll just run my server. So what I can do, yeah, even like either run it or just copy the file, copy the path of the file, go to your browser and just paste it in, and here it is. Also, it works perfectly fine. Now here's an important thing here is that uh, basically what we've implemented is the fetching. So once user types something like 84, if I'll go into network, you will see that we fetched some GS file that has this range of zip codes. So basically, we can we can make it less less load, because like if we would combine all these files together, like the load time would be very high. And we basically sorted it and split it into pieces, and now it works perfectly fine. It's kind of what I wrote here, the technique serve as you go. Somewhere I put it um in, oh yeah, so the same way it works with zip codes. If you enter blah blah blah, and here is serve as you go. So basically whatever user types, for example I want to put Boston there, I got my Boston, and so we served letter B. So all cities that starts with letter B in the United States, we just serve them. So basically, we don't load all the cities in the United States. What we do, we just load those in which user is interested the most. Okay. So, and basically it works perfectly fine. I hope this was helpful. If you want to contribute, you can. But other than that, it's everything what I want to say. Thanks.